What's that smell coming from McDonald's? Alright, we need a 20-piece chicken nugget and a Big Mac and a large fries. Oh my god, are those non-vegan food items being cooked? Excuse me, are those chicken nuggets and that Big Mac vegan? No, they are not. Dispatch, we're making an arrest at McDonald's. You're under arrest for not serving vegan food. Are you really gonna arrest me for serving non-vegan food? Yes, I am. What are you gonna do about it? Do you want to make a phone call to your family before you go? Mom, I got arrested. Why did you get arrested? What did you do this time? I'm sorry, Mom. I got arrested for serving non-vegan food at my McDonald's. That's impossible. Put the officer on the phone. Hello? I am arresting your son because he was serving non-vegan food at McDonald's. I'm so sorry, Timmy. I will try my best to get you out of jail. Alright, ma'am. So your son was arrested because he wasn't serving vegan food at McDonald's? Is that true? Yes, it's true, officer. Well, I have good news. Your son is not going to be arrested and he's not going to have a criminal record. And the cop who arrested him is going to be fired. Officer Karen, get over here. Yes, boss, what is it? You're fired.